Hello, my name is Carolina and this is Textile Tech. Today I will show you a fun and relatively easy way to get some movement into your still textile images. This is not a tutorial but more an inspiration video. And please write some comments if there are some details you want me to explain more, or if you want me to do a full tutorial at some point. Today I will work with an image that I also use as a logo on my website, a ship from one of the Överhogdal tapestries from Sweden. I didn't have this image, so I went to Wikipedia and found this one under a CC license, so I can use this for this purpose. You will find the license and the original author info lost in this video. I share it under the same license, meaning that you can use the image as well, but since I use it as a logo, I guess you wouldn't want to. But hopefully this video can be of some inspiration to you anyway. Let's start. I opened the image in Adobe Illustrator, and I wanted a less natural and a more painted look, so I did an image trace with 5 colors, I think. And I did some tweaking till I was happy with the look, and you can still see it's a textile, so that was what I wanted. I used Ignore White and so got a transparent background in an easy way. Then I deleted parts of the image, parts where I can see that the original is also less well preserved. And then I exported as a PNG. For the next step, I don't use Adobe Illustrator, even though I guess I could. I used GIMP instead. Load the PNG file and add perspective, and then cut out all the pieces you want to have different movement on. Save them in different layers and export as PNGs. I open a new project in Premiere Pro and load the PNG files of all of the layers I made in GIMP, and then I add them to the timeline. I make sure that everything fits and looks good. And then I start building up the movements. For the ship, I use a simple rotation, adding and taking off just some degree of rotation over time. By having 2 of the people in separate layers and the rest stuck to the ship, it gives a more very subtle movement. The sail needs the most attention. I use the turbulent displace effect to make it bulge and wave warp to do that quite nice wave movement. You will see what I mean later, it doesn't look too good just yet. There are some tweaking to do, so I'm going to load a file I made before. If you want to use your image as an animated GIF and want it to loop seamlessly, be sure to start and end your sequence with the save movement values. To get it really smooth, you can also try to lower the speed in the beginning and the end. Here I add the license text and information and adjusting some placings. When I'm happy, I can export it as an animated GIF or as a video. I have a GIF in my logo on my website, but will put a video in the end here for you to enjoy. Thank you for watching.